Hello everyone and welcome to this video. One of, if not my most popular video, is a hair tutorial for people with bangs who are figuring out how to try and style their hair. I had just gotten bangs for the first time and I had super short hair and I wasn't really all that keen on using a ton of heat on my hair. Well, now I'm in a different situation. I have hella hair and I have successfully figured out the bangs, I have to say. I got them under control. I've had bangs in every which way you can have them. I've had baby bangs, straight across bangs, terribly cut accident bangs. If there's bangs, I've had the bangs. You know what's funny is that a lot of people actually don't know that I have bangs, which is weird because I have had them for 5 years. I actually don't wear my bangs down a ton. I tend to hide them with hairstyles. Sometimes they just don't sit right. There's gapping in weird areas, or there's too much oil in them and they're like stuck to your forehead, gross. Sometimes they're sticking straight up, and other days you just don't want anything on your freaking face. Believe me, I have seen all of the pros and cons that bangs have to offer. And in 5 years, I have figured out a lot of hairstyles that work to hide them away, and I am happy to share those with you. So yeah, if you need help hiding your bangs with a vintage or a romantic inspired hairstyle, I'm here to help you. I've got you, and here are 8 hairstyles with no heat that will help you integrate your bangs back into your hair. For the first style, we will be doing this sweet and youthful half-up look with ribbons. It makes me feel like a child from like the 1920s, but like I don't care. It's super cute. Start off by sectioning your hair down the middle. We're going to be rolling a small top section of our hair. We are simply just twisting the hair upwards and picking up pieces as we twist along the side of your head. If we picture the circumference of my head kind of as a clock, I stop around 10:30, and you can secure this roll in place with an elastic. And then I go along the length of the roll and I secure it down with bobby pins just to make it secure and make sure that my bangs don't go popping out during the day. And then you just do the same on the other side. I then take this red ribbon, which is actually a really crudely cut silk handkerchief I got from a charity shop, and I just tie them in a nice floppy bow over the elastics. I think a half-up look where you don't have your hair connected in the back allows for your hair to look more full and fluffy and super romantic. If you don't have naturally wavy or curly hair, I would consider a non-heat overnight curling method to make this look a little more playful. There are tons of those online. This second look is much more mature than the first one, and it was actually my go-to look when I had shorter hair because it was simple to do, got all my hair out of my face while still leaving some volume, and it paired with my natural curls really well to almost create this kind of like vaguely 1940s inspired look. So start off by parting your hair on the side. We're going to do the same rolling method to just behind your ears. And note, if your hair is too short for rolling, I would consider French twisting, which I will show you how to do in look 5. It allows you to style and secure your hair at shorter lengths. That's what I did when I had baby bangs. Secure the front section in place with an elastic and wrap your hair around it to blend the elastic in with the rest of your hair. A lot of the time, I will even skip using an elastic band. I will just take a section of my hair and just wrap it around the part that I want to secure and then bobby pin it against my head. It's just a tip if you're ever in a pinch without an elastic. It works for me, and I have like thick as hell hair. It might work for you, so give it a go. Secure the rest of your roll with bobby pins, water, hairspray, whatever you need to keep her still, and then do the same on the other side. And there you go. Easy peasy, cute, and it's off your face. Okay, now everyone and their mom is wearing this as a trend, I know that, but I still consider it a cute and romantic way to get my bangs off my face. It like kind of makes me feel like I should be like an Italian nonna in the early 90s. So let's give it a go. Anyway, simply pin those bangs back, just get them off your face. Does not have to be pretty. And then take any scarf or bandana that you have, or you can make one out of a cute shirt or material you have. Fold it into a triangle and then tie your hair up while you tie the ends of the scarf behind your neck so you don't get your hair caught in the knot. And then I put my hair down and pull out about an inch of hair and then tuck half of that behind my ear. It just really softens up the look. And there you go. No bangs, and you look cute as all hell. I love it. I don't care if this is like a basic, everyone's doing this look. I am here for it. Okay, let's get our bangs off our face with a cute vintage rolled ponytail. I'm actually gonna do a trick to make my ponytail look even more full, so I'm splitting my hair into 2 sections. The top section will be much heavier than the bottom. Again, roll your hair back, but this time connect them at the back of your head and tie them up with a cute scrunchie. I like this one because it matches the bow on my dress. Pin your rolls down to secure them and make them a bit flatter to your head, and then take the bottom section and tie it up underneath the ponytail with an elastic that matches your hair. So you just want it to blend together. I then pull out a couple pieces of hair to frame my face and soften the look, and voila! This stacking technique of ponytails helps your ponytail look longer, thicker, and more luscious. Just a little bit of a game changer with a ponytail. Now I love, love, love this romantic side bun. It makes me feel like a princess, like a forest nymph. I do love it very much. Okay, so side part and section your hair. The side with the bun should be sectioned to about 1 inch behind your ear, and the other section will be much larger because it's gonna wrap around the back of your head. Okay, so it's time to French twist your hair. You're gonna pick up 2 pieces of hair in your hands. It's really simple. You just twist the pieces around each other, and each time you twist, you pick up another piece of hair and add it to that section. It might look complex, I promise it's not. I'm sure there are tons of tutorials on YouTube for it. You can do it, I very much believe in you. We're gonna twist this until we've done the entire section and secure it with an elastic band. And then we are going to twist the other section until it meets the former. Okay, let's make a romantic messy bun. So you're gonna pull your hair through the elastic once, and on the second time, you're only gonna pull it halfway through. And at this point, stop with the bun and go and loosen up the twists around your face to make the look a little softer before you start securing the bun in place. So you're gonna wrap the loose hair around any of the exposed elastic band, and you're gonna secure the bun in general with bobby pins just to your head. There's no like real method to it. Just make sure that the bun isn't sticking out from your head anywhere and that there's no like very obvious like ugly flyaways. We want it messy, but we want an organized mess, you know? Lastly, I created this little flower clip with a bunch of fake flowers, and then I secured it around a bobby pin. I just pin it on the bun for a super romantic fairy tale look. And oh my god, I just love this look so much. It's just like, I feel like forest nymph queen. I want to wear this every day. Okay, here are my thick and full pigtails. They are secured with bows and they make me feel so cute. So we're gonna side part our hair again, or however you want. We're actually gonna start by rolling our bangs. We're not gonna braid them just yet because I like how this kind of makes the look a little more gentle than braiding from the get-go. So you're gonna roll until you reach your ear, and then I split the roll into 3 and start French braiding. I like to leave quite a bit of hair out at the end of the braid. I don't know, I like the way it looks. Secure with elastics that match your hair, and then go back over the braid and start pulling at each loop in the braid to make your hair uber thick and plump looking. Love me some plump braids. Then I tie on some red ribbons and voila, you are Little Red Riding Hood. And I really need to go shopping for some new ribbons. Like, oh my god, I love these ribbons so much. Imagine little white lacy ones. Oh, I would love that. I'm gonna get those for sure. Okay, lastly, here is a nice loose French braid which can be rolled into a romantic bun. So we're going to roll the top section of our hair and have it meet in the back. When we get to the back, we're going to pick up a 3rd section of hair and begin French braiding down the rest of our hair. Again, leave quite a bit of hair unbraided at the bottom of your braid. Do not forget to plump up your damn braid. And now here's the star of the show. I love these scrunchies. I found them on Amazon. They are a pack of scrunchies that have scarves attached to them, and you can untie them, use the scarf separately or use the scrunchie separately. You can create multiple looks. I'm taking the scarf and I'm tying it back onto the scrunchie. Then I'm wrapping my braid up into a bun and pinning it so it stays put. And then I wrap my scrunchie around it with the little scarf on the top. And this makes my style look a lot classier and like I put a ton more effort into it. Isn't so cute? I love it. Okay, that's my final look. Okay, everyone, those were my 8 vintage and romantic hairstyles to hide your bangs. I hope those helped you out in some way. There's not too much to it. It's just like a lot of rolling, braiding, French twisting, whatever works for you, and then using the appropriate amount of water, gel, or hairspray to kind of keep your bangs locked and loaded, and not to mention bobby pins. They are absolutely key. Also, if you're a little frustrated with these hairstyles with the length of your hair, there's so many options of hairstyles that you can pull off. Don't get too frustrated with your bangs. I know it's frustrating if you want them off your face or you want to grow them out or whatever phase you're in with your hair right now. I promise you, it's not forever. You can do it. You can find something that'll work for you. But I hope that this video maybe contributed to that and helped you out a little bit. And if not, here's the most fail-proof hairstyle of them all. Headbands are back in fashion. They are everywhere and they're so cute these days. Think, think, think. Think, 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 think. Voila! Get her done. Go do it. So I guess this is technically like 9-ish hairstyles. Okay, everyone, that truly is the end of my video. I hope you have a great rest of your evening. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more from my daily life. And I will see you in another video. Have a good one, guys. Bye.